Hello friends, this is my first YouTube video and in this video I will tell you about Mcent browser, means how to use Mcent browser. First click on Play Store and type Mcent browser. Install it. You can also check the downloads, 5 million downloads. You can also check the reviews. Okay. You can also check the video. Keep your data on. Wait for 1 minute. It is only 46 MB. I will also show you the proof of my account. Okay, open it. You have two options: continue with Facebook or create my account. I will prefer create my account. Select the language, enter a mobile number. You will receive a OTP and type it here. Okay, confirm. Okay, your screen will display like this. First I will show you my proof. See this, I have received rupees 5 5 5 1 1 9 10. Okay, and also I have recharged from this. You can recharge from 10 to maximum 500. Okay, my current account balance is rupees 235. Okay, how to use this? Simply you have to use Mcent browser instead of Google Chrome. In Mcent you will rewarded for it. Click on any news or any videos you like ClickBus. Okay, also you can invite a friend and get rupees 1. When you collect 1000 point, it means when you complete 1000 point you will receive 1 rupees, and when you collect 1 rupees, go to add to account, means click on add to account, and you will receive rupees 1. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon button to notification. Okay, thanks for watching.